those are the games we're gonna play first, okay? His most famous is conservation of liquid, okay? So, you go build your blocks.
How am I gonna?
How are you gonna what? Alexis, did you see if I pulled his scissors away? I don't know. There you go. Don't run. Walk slowly, please. Thank you. Okay. So, Kayla, I want you to look at these glasses for me and tell mommy, do they look like they have the same amount of water, or does one have more, or one has less?
This has less and this has more.
She's right. Okay, let me fix that. Are they the same, or does one have more?
They're not the same.
They're not the same? Tell me when they're the same. Which one do I need to pour more water into? Are they the same? Are they the same? Ethan, do they look the same? This one has a little less?
Yeah.
A little bit more?
Oh my god.
No, they look good to me.
Yeah, leave
Do
them.
they? Okay,
Wait.
Kayla.
Wait, no, this one has legs.
Hey, you're the photographer. I don't get to laugh.
I'm also 15.
Stand up, babe.
I can't.
We need a better angle. Okay, I think they're maybe. I'm not positive. But you tell me, Kayla. Are they the same now? I'm trying very
No.
No, which one has... That one has more or less?
More.
Are you sure? Okay, are they the same?
Switch the glasses.
Are they the same? Which one has more? That one has just a tad more? Okay. We only have so far to go, babe. Oh, okay. Are they the same? Are they the same? Did you know that Rome wasn't built in a day? Are they the same, or does one have more or less? Tell me so I can fix it. Help me make them the same.
They're the same.
They're the same? Yay. Yes? They're the same? Okay. Okay, now, they're the same, okay? Now tell me, are they the same, or does one have more or one have less?
This one has more.
Why?
Because it's in a bigger glass.
Because it's in a bigger glass. Thank you. That game's over. Let's move to the penny game. Okay. We have 2 rows of pennies. You can stand up if you want. There's 5 pennies in each row, just like this over here. So, Kayla, do they have the same amount of pennies, or does one have more?
She's looking at the chair.
We're looking at the top row and the bottom row. Do both rows, don't pay attention to those. Those pennies are not important. These pennies are important. Do they have the same number of pennies, or does one have more? Does the top row have more than the bottom? Does the bottom row have more than the top, or do they have the same number of pennies?
They are the same.
They have Now, do they have the same number of pennies, or does one have more? Does the top row have more than the bottom, or the bottom more than the top, or do they both have the same?
They don't have the same.
They don't have the same? Which one has more and which one has less?
This one has less.
The top row has less pennies than the bottom row? Yes? Okay,
If you take away these.
because I took away these ones? Okay. Okay, now let's look at the balls. Mommy's trying to make them into balls. Do they look like they're the same size balls? They look like they have the same amount?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now, does one have more clay or does one have less clay?
This has more.
It does? Why?
Oh.
Okay, because it's a ball. Thank you. Now let's move to this. Can you put these in order for Mommy? From tallest to shortest? Very good. Very good. Can you put these in order for Mommy? I'm not going to take them all, okay? We'll just start with the little ones, okay? Can you put those in order from smallest to biggest? Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you. Okay. Now let's look at these. Tell Mommy, do you want the Skittles or do you want the candy?
Get up.
Okay, thank you. Now come over here. Come over here.
Bye.
What happens to Mommy when Mommy puts the wig on? I look silly. Is that what you said? What happens to Cole if Cole puts the wig on?
Hair curly.
He looks what?
His hair's curly.
His hair's curly. What else? Different hair.
Why do you do that stuff?
I brought this stuff out for the mask, which I apparently have forgotten. So it's really irrelevant.
Let me show you something. There's like a bag that we found once we got this costume, and the mask was in it. I'm not sure if Auntie put the mask back in the bag. I don't know if you already done it.
When did we use that? When did we use that bag?
This was
It's like right next to her knee. Her right knee.
that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little knee pad thing.
Oh, just kidding.
It's okay.
It's that.
Is it
That's the
this?
mask.
You don't need this part. I'm just kidding. Okay. So what happens to Mommy when Mommy puts the mask on? I'm a skeleton. Scary skeleton? Huh? Scary skeleton? Tell Mommy what happened on Halloween. Where did we go?
That's eating.
Who did we go with? Who was there? Cole? Auntie? What cousins? Soleil, Samantha, Where did we go? We went trick-or-treating from whose house?
Sandy's house to Sandy's old house.
What costumes did they wear?
I was in the red Cole.
You were in the what?
I was in Cinderella.
Mm-hmm.
And Cole was in skeleton.
Oh, it was in skeletons, huh? What color was the Cinderella dress?
Blue.
Blue. Were you cold? Why?
I had stuff on under it.
Because you had stuff under it. Yeah? Where'd you get that stuff?
Target.
From Target? Who took you to Target?
Auntie.
Where was Mommy?
Home.
I was? Are you sure about that? Okay. I was with you guys. Okay. Can you do Mommy a favor? Can you stand up for a minute?
But
Can you stand over here and I want you to throw the ball for Mommy, okay? You catch it, okay? You catch it. Okay, throw it to Mommy. Throw it. Good job.
get away from me, Bob.
Okay, good job. Good job. Thank you so much. I have one more thing I need to do with you, but I need a volunteer from the class. Can you ask for a volunteer? No? Who would like to volunteer for me? Okay, we are going to play hide and seek. Mila, Mommy needs your help for this, okay? Because you have to help me be the seeker. Stand up, you can help Mommy, okay? Okay, come here, come here. Tell me where you should find them. Tell me. You're gonna be the seeker, and we're gonna be the hider.
Oh, no.
Tell me where you think I should find them. No, you're allowed to look. Okay, now if I could ask you to step out of the room for just a minute. Thank you. Let's play a trick on her and let's find the ball somewhere else, okay? Get the ball. Okay, where do you want to hide it now? Choose a different spot. No, that's not, you have to stay out of the corner. Come on, let's choose a different spot. Okay. So when we invite her back in, Cole, did you see where we moved the ball to? Our second hiding spot? Show them where the hiding spot is, Kayla. Okay, Cole. Cole. Don't answer the question, okay? Kayla, when she comes back in to look for the ball, where's she gonna look for the ball?